Most people think viral content is random. They believe a post suddenly explodes because of luck, or because the algorithm decided to push it. But that's not what usually happens. The truth is much more interesting. The human brain reacts to patterns, it reacts to curiosity, it reacts to emotion, and it reacts to stories. That is why some content gets ignored, while other content immediately captures attention. The biggest mistake creators make is focusing only on information. Information alone is rarely enough. People do not remember facts, they remember how something made them feel. That is why emotion creates retention. When viewers feel curious, they keep watching. When they feel surprised, they keep watching. When they feel emotionally connected, they keep watching. The algorithm is not magically choosing winners. In reality, the algorithm is often following human behavior. If people stop scrolling, the algorithm notices. If people watch longer, the algorithm notices. If people share the content, the algorithm notices. Human behavior comes first. The algorithm follows afterward. Another important concept is curiosity. Curiosity is a form of psychological tension. When the brain notices an unanswered question, it naturally wants an answer. That is why strong hooks work. Not because they are loud, not because they are shocking, but because they create an information gap. The viewer wants to know what happens next. And then there is emotion. People do not share information, they share emotion. Nobody sends a video to a friend because it contains data. They send it because it made them laugh, because it surprised them, because it inspired them, or because it made them think. Great creators understand this. They do not simply create content, they design experiences. Every image, every scene, every transition, every moment is carefully working together to guide attention and emotion. That is why the best content feels effortless. But behind the scenes, it is built with intention. Viral content is not luck. It is not magic, and it is not random. It is emotional architecture. And once you understand how attention, curiosity, emotion, and storytelling work together, you stop chasing the algorithm and start understanding people.